Hi guys, welcome to another Unreal Engine video tutorial, and today we are going to learn how to create a TV on your project with a video playing inside your virtual reality project or even on your mobile project. So the first thing that we did is to create a new folder into our content folder. Okay, in this case I'll call them movies. Okay, and then I click drag and drop inside my content file. Okay, so as you can see, we have a file media source, so I will rename it just to make sure that we keep it organized, okay? And after I rename my file media source, I'm going to create a new file, right click, go to media and select platform media file, platform media source, okay? Rename it again, and next after that we are going to double click inside our both of our files just to make sure that we have our mp4 file path there, and right here we are just trying to make sure that we have our file media source selected on Android platform. Okay, next after that we are going to go to media player and just make sure that you check the video output source. Okay, now we are going to rename it like media player file, and then after you do that you're going to see that we just created another texture file. Okay, don't worry about that, we're going to see that later. Okay, inside our media player just make sure that you select play on open. Okay, if you don't want to play it when you begin play, then just make sure you disable that. And after that just make sure that your file media player is right, file media source is right over there. Okay, and then you can close it. So now we are going to create our material to put on our TV static mesh. Okay, so just rename your material, and I'm going to put inside on this television static mesh. So I'm going to create the screen video like material. Okay, so to do that I'm going to make sure that I drag this texture material uh, that was created when I checked that video output file. Okay, and then click drag our RGB inside our basic color, and if you want you can create like a specular value, even of roughness value. Okay, in my case I'm going to use zero point 0.2 on roughness. After that just compile, save it, and as you can see our material went like all white, but don't worry about it. Okay, after that just create a blueprint, go to actor, rename your blueprint and open the blueprint that we are going to work with. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do, we have to create a variable on our project. Okay, so click that. In my case I'm going to rename like media player. Okay, and change this variable into media player object reference. Okay, so type it media player and look for media player object reference right there. Okay, after that we can go to our event graph, get the media player and compile our media player. Okay, when you do that, as you can see, you have to choose your media player files. Okay, uh, after that you can get a reference. You can use the open source, sorry, or open source selected. Okay, in my case I choose the open source and select the file media source on my object. Okay, so now I compile, save everything, and create a static mesh of my television right there. And in this TV object, I'm going to like put my video texture in, sorry, my video material inside my screen. Okay, so right there, I'm going to find the video material that I just create, this one, and put it on my television. So compile, save everything, and then we can click drag and drop our television inside our project and see if everything is working. So save everything and then press play. So as you can see, everything is working as expected. And before we end this tutorial, just make sure you go to the project settings, packaging, and choose the specific Move It to package. Open that and make sure that you grab the file path of our video and paste it inside this blank space right there. Okay, this will help you when you try to package your project. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please thumbs up, and that's all. Bye bye, guys.